Burimba Mogistajja ka Center for Community Development na Asimu Preparatory School bahebwe biharani za sanitary pads, empunu hamwe n'ebitabo.
Most public schools abana tibakafuna yo cyamushana and ikindi abana babajya ishomero tibakabona ibitabo, tibakabona pens, tibakabona uniform. Cyo kituma umwana yabatagine kugira ngo muzere tarebasa yabasa kurwa mu ishomero ningashi y'amarasana tagiye ishomero. So tugira ngo katandike project y'ishomero kugira ngo abana at least babone lunch, one meal a day, lunch imizoba, babone bitabo, babone pens.
2021 kanye nabeje 15 hashohora umunana bari mu field, they are working, some are married but others are working. Then nagumizamu shows a group t-shirt already after 1.5 year or after 1 year umuntu yakwatanda murekaze mu field yabona chance yo ngo finish yakora
muri Ergavaix omwahabajenya bahayo buhwezi yayoreka ngo ibintu babikora okwera emyanya ibari kutayayam.
Muriel, I come from Switzerland and I choose this project because I think it was a good project. I wanted to come 3 years ago, but there was COVID and I couldn't come. So now here I am.
Bamuhabatungo buhwezo bubayere kukwesima ngono baza kuganyirwa mu ntebe kaniseji.
Kweka kibase kuyamba abana bitu amashomero abakazi school fees baraziha mu mpunu. Uniform barajiya mu mpunu.
Ndateka ngo kuneze ko kundareba ndeba hwerere hari fees naenda mawundi kweraze kunkorera abo kuba ndareba bamwe barazaza barahabandi barasigarana za nyina bari hamwe kintu cyamani
ija hano yabwisonga y'ifemero nye y'amagezi y'abitarakoraje naje kwega kateranira naega bitindi kugira kweza na bitinda kora.
Enyanja ya Bunyonyine yakira abagenyi binji buri mwaka kandi inemenyete tarukwe basa nyinji.
I myself I didn't have nothing.
Gasha kwa Job namanya.